What's poppin', everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So today, i-react natin itong kanta na Love the Philippines by Morissette. So this is the official music video. So hindi ko alam kung anong kantang to. I've never heard of it, but yeah, today we're going to listen and react to it. So this is about the Philippines, obviously. So if bago kayo dito, don't forget to subscribe, and you can also follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. So let's go. Queen Morissette. Ooh, ganda. Saan ba to? Batanes? Wow. Woo. Ganda ng mga shots, oh, mga drone shots. Ganda. Ganda ni Morissette din, ah. Mala Imelda Marcos yun. Uy, Palawan. It's giving Moana vibes. Don't you agree?
The key to the magic.
Oh, Enchanted River. I've been here 2 weeks ago. Okay, nakapunta ako dito kaya hindi ako nakapag-upload ng kay tagal-tagal because I've been here. Okay, i-follow nyo ako sa Facebook page ko. Okay, or sa TikTok kasi nag-upload ako ng mga vlogs doon na hindi music related. So if you guys want to watch it, so go to my Facebook pages, okay?
Hand in hand, walk through the city streets, or dance on golden sand.
Ooh, ganda. Wow. Chocolate Hills, okay? Love the Philippines. Uy, ang ganda. Siargao ba to? Saan ba yan? I love that. Uy, Communal Ranch. Bukidnon. Malapit lang sa amin yan. Pero hindi pa ako nakapunta dyan. Pupunta kami dyan next week. I promise you and I promise myself. Pupunta kami dyan next week. Communal Ranch. Okay, malapit lang. Dinadayo nga siya ng mga taga Luzon eh. Tapos kami pa na Ako hindi pa ako talaga nakapunta doon. But yeah, pupunta ako doon. I-follow nyo ako sa Facebook, sa TikTok, okay? Or even sa Instagram kasi doon nagpo-post ako doon. Uy, saan ba to? Galing ng rock formation, oh. Ang ganda. Oh. Eto. Babasa itong kuan, katong pink nga murag pink Sultan Kudarat. Ha? Sultan Kudarat. Oh, parang Sultan Kudarat. Ito pupuntahan pa namin to. Okay. Oh, Benguet. Oh. Grabe, no? Alam nyo, Philippines has a lot to offer. Yun nga lang, no? Yun nga lang, nami-mismanage ng, alam nyo na kung anong, ibig kong sabihin. But, man, Philippines is a really, really great, beautiful, wonderful country. From its people, to its culture, to its archipelago, to its natural resources. Philippines is really a gem, no? But, sayang lang. Uy, batchoy, bulalo, sinuglaw, puso, uy, sisig, adobo, uy, ano yun, oh, mga, uy, lechon. Woo. Mayon. Love the Philippines talaga. Dahil sa video na to, tuloy na-miss ko yung beach, okay? Kakapunta lang namin ng beach 2 weeks ago kasi nag-Eastern Mindanao loop kami. Napunta kami sa Davao Oriental, sa Surigao del Sur, and yan yung mga lugar dito sa Mindanao na that has a talagang magagandang beaches, no? And pwede ka ring mag-surf doon. Mati, ganun. Na-miss ko tuloy. Woo! Elegant naman masyado ni dito, ni Miss Morissette. Lagoon. Magellan's Cross. Cebu to, 'di ba? Magellan's Cross, no? Cebu. Luneta ba to? Oh. Mindanao. Let's go, Mindanao. Galing. Ganda ng mga water lily, oh. Ganda ng mga time-lapse na shots, oh. Woo! Ang ganda nito. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan to. Ah, ganda. Woo! Yan. yung dito, yung kanta, it's very simple, no? Pero it's because it's Morissette, no? Expect talaga natin na meron talaga mga power belting, mga notes na talagang solid sa belting, 'di ba? It's Queen Mori, no? What do you expect? Oh, zipline. Something. Beb, saan yung yung zipline na may falls?
Lake Cebu.
Ha? Lake Cebu saan? South Cotabato? Oh, okay. Kasi na-feature dito eh. May waterfalls tsaka may zipline. Oh, whitewater rafting, oh. Cagayan de Oro to, matik to. Woo! Woohoo! Galing. Hey. Nice. Love the ending. Haha. Okay, ito yung masasabi ko dito sa sa music video na to. Na-remind ako that Philippines is very rich in culture, tradition, and it's very diverse in terms of languages, food, yung natin, yung talagang roots natin, no? Very diverse from native to post-colonization, mga ganon, di ba? We're so diverse. And that's why Filipinos are very good at socializing with other nationalities sa mga dayuhan because na tayo eh. We're colonized, we're influenced, yet our roots remain pa din, no? So kudos to to whom it may concern, no, kung sino man yung nag-produce neto, and to Morissette for singing Love the Philippines. And I think she's the best, arguably the best choice, or maybe one of deserving na kumanta nito, because when we say Morissette, Philippines, okay? Talagang tatak Filipina talaga si Morissette, okay? So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.